Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Blueprint for passive income investors. To begin, dividend wealth building is a long-term strategy that helps investors create passive income, grow wealth, and work toward financial freedom. The main idea is simple. You invest in quality dividend-paying assets, those companies generate profits, they pay dividends, and you can reinvest those dividends to grow your portfolio faster. First, define your why and your financial goals. Ask yourself whether you want passive income for early retirement, financial freedom, more time flexibility, or long-term family security. Once your goal is clear, set a monthly passive income target so you know exactly what you are working toward. Next, build a strong financial foundation before investing heavily. This means creating an emergency fund that can cover 6 to 12 months of expenses, paying off high-interest debt, and protecting yourself with proper insurance. A strong foundation helps you stay invested even when the market becomes uncertain. After that, invest consistently. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, invest regularly on a monthly or bi-weekly basis. Even small investments can become powerful over time when you stay consistent and allow compounding to work. Then, focus on quality dividend stocks. Look for strong businesses with durable competitive advantages, consistent dividend history, healthy cash flow, and a strong balance sheet. The goal is not only to receive dividends today, but also to build a reliable income stream for the future. Moreover, diversify your portfolio for stability. You can spread your investments across sectors such as healthcare, consumer staples, financials, industrials, utilities, technology, and real estate investment trusts. This helps reduce overconcentration and keeps your income portfolio more balanced. In addition, reinvest and compound your dividends. When dividends are reinvested, they can buy more shares, and those extra shares can produce more dividends in the future. Over time, this creates a compounding effect that can accelerate wealth growth. For example, if you invest $500 per month with an average dividend yield of 4% and dividend growth over time, your portfolio may grow significantly over 10, 20, 30, or even 40 years. The longer you stay consistent, the more powerful the results can become. Furthermore, monitor and rebalance your portfolio regularly. Reviewing your portfolio quarterly or semi-annually can help you maintain your target allocation, manage risk, and keep your dividend income plan aligned with your goals. Now, plan your passive income goal clearly. For example, if your target is $1,000 per month, you need $12,000 per year. At a 4% dividend yield, this may require around $300,000 in capital. If your goal is $3,000 per month, you need $36,000 per year, which may require around $900,000 at a 4% yield. Similarly, if your goal is $5,000 per month, you need $60,000 per year, which may require around $1.5 million at a 4% yield. And if your goal is $10,000 per month, you need $120,000 per year, which may require around $3 million at a 4% yield. However, remember that higher dividend yield means less capital may be needed, but it can also increase risk. That is why safety, quality, diversification, compounding, and discipline are the key principles of a strong dividend wealth blueprint. As your portfolio grows, your dividend income can support passive income, financial freedom, wealth for life, and protection against inflation. The goal is to build income today, earn more tomorrow, and eventually live with more freedom and less financial stress. Finally, this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investments are subject to market risks, including possible loss of principal. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.